Greetings from the OBHR area at FORE School of Management, New Delhi. Jack Welch, the legendary CEO of General Electric, once said that businesses in the present day are built on foundations of people behavior. He also indicated that human resources form the inherent basis for competitive advantage. This could not but be incredibly true for organizations of the modern times, the present times. And this is where a degree and education at FORE School of Management enriches your career. The organizational behavior and human resources area at FORE School of Management adds value to your career from two perspectives. In the first perspective, it not only adds to your understanding of people behavior and people issues, and therefore helps you become better people managers. On the other hand, it also enables you to create a career in human resources. Therefore, human resources from a study of human resources at FORE School of Management adds to your career, adds value to your careers in two ways. Now, coming to the area per se, this area offers various unique value propositions in your stay at FORE School of Management. The first value proposition is the fact that we have a three-layered structure of courses out here. At the first layer, we have the core courses which are offered in the first year, and these enable you to prepare for the basics of organizational behavior and human resource management. At the second level, we have the breadth courses which enable you to understand the basic systems of HRM and organizational behavior. So here we have electives like performance management, compensation, training and development, competency mapping, and whatnot. At the third level, we have integrated courses or integrative courses like managing talent and career, employer branding, team building, and also HR analytics. These three layers of courses prepares you for not only a career in HR, but also to be good business managers and people managers. In addition to these courses, the pedagogy at FORE School of Management also helps you to prepare for a career in business. We not only have in-class learning experience, but we also have out-of-class learning experience wherein students go in for internships and they learn what is it that is there in the practical realm that helps to bridge or supplement the classroom learning. In addition to it, we have a vast type of different types of faculty members coming in. We have visiting faculty members from the industry, we have guest faculty members from the industry, and we have periodic sessions by different experts from industry which supplements your learning. In addition to it, there are different student-enabled activities which are led by the SIG HR team, which leads you or enables you to understand various aspects of HRM and OB. So, as it is said that human resources appreciate and they have a will to appreciate, a stint at FORE School of Management, New Delhi will not only add to your career, but will also enable you to make a mark in business. Best wishes from the area.